Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be playing Blade Block. It's just the same as Blade Ball, they just like changed the update or something. So now the ball has turned into a block, which looks very weird, but okay. Okay, so the ball is coming to me. Nice. Then why does the ball keep on coming to me? Do they want to kill me or something? Finally. Okay. Come on, just wait, what? Where's it going to? Okay. I don't even know why it's called Blade Block, but okay. Damn, I almost died. No, it's not Blade Block. It was Blade Ball.
Yes. It's the same Blade Ball.
I know, that's what I said at the start of the video. Okay, so I think like some people have died. I just want to win. No waste of time. No rush. Just please don't make me die. Okay, let me try sending the ball to someone else. Okay. Why does this guy keep on giving me the ball? I'm gonna die. Finally. Oh no, the ball is getting faster. This is where I might die. I'm scared. Oh, I thought it was coming to me again. Okay. So far, oh, I killed someone. Yay. Okay, I think I'm versing this guy. Oh no, there's some people. Wait, what? I think I am. Oopsie, I'm versing him. Someone help me. This guy's gonna kill me. This guy's gonna finish me. Okay, time to concentrate. Oh my god, I just won. I won. Yay! Sorry, I went like too happy. It's just I won first match. It's fine. You all did good. No need to be upset and say no. The hell is this guy talking to me? Okay. New map, guys. Oh my gosh, there's so much people here. That's what I do. You can't join me. I can change servers. Do you want me to change servers? Okay. Let's change servers, guys. Okay, guys. We joined a new server. And this time, my brother is somewhere. I put a heart to him. Oh, there he is. Okay, he's versing some people. Did he die? No, he died. You're not bad at Blade, but I just saw you playing and you were playing now. Oh my gosh, I hate these abilities people use. That string stretch or whatever. I just hate it so much. It confuses me. Okay. Can someone please give me the ball?
Oh, it's a block.
He went so far.
Literally a block.
A block, whatever.
It's called Blade Block. It's Blade Block.
Blade Block.
You what?
I can't hear you. I need to come closer. Move your arm. Oh, he looked like I was staring at that girl. Sorry. That's on my way. Okay. I am gonna see you guys in another match. Here we are, guys, in a new match. In a new map.
I'm in the mood.
Oh my gosh, I'm so lagging. Why does that ball? What? Never mind. Someone give me the ball. The block. Oh no, it's coming to me. I can predict that. You know this girl? You know this girl Insanity that's giving me the ball? Last match, she went fast. I saw when I told you guys I was gonna.
Yes, I was gonna. Insanity.
Okay. When I told you guys I was gonna see you in a new match, I paused the video and gosh, this girl was playing with the block. She was fighting some random guy. They went super fast, like fast like Flash.
Flash. Wait,
I wanted to unpause the video, but like the match ended. It was so insane.
Let me get involved in this. What?
What did you just? Oh, there you go. No, why are you giving the ball to your own sister?
Oh.
Leave me alone. Phew. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay.
I just keep using the secret. After 1v1 now.
Damn, it's a 1v1. Let's see who's gonna win. Let me just circle you. I don't know where you are. But I
blocked. I swear on God. I blocked.
damn, I feel bad for you. Sorry. What? I'm saying sorry to you. I'm going to heaven since I love heaven so much. I've never seen heaven before, but I'm sure it's so beautiful.
Why is this person going to hell?
I don't know.
What was the hell?
I hope
She's literally on top of.
yeah, but she just died. Give me the block, please. Good thing some people.
It's random.
Good thing some people are dying, so the ball will start coming to me. What did I say? I knew it. Okay. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus me 6.
Hey yo.
This girl is standing still, but she's still good. Please don't kill me. Yes, I killed someone.
That was me.
Oh, sorry.
Bro.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, there's some people up there. How did they get up there?
Can you play right back?
Sorry, no, I hate somebody around.
Oh, I just left on the top of the league.
Please spare me. Please spare me. Spare me, actually. The ball is getting up. Yes, I did it. I just tapped the ball randomly and killed him. And now I died by myself. This blade, whatever it's called, blade block, it's just getting on my nerves. I'll remove this leaderboard. Okay. The match has finished. Which one should I go to? Ocean. No, classic is actually good. Oh. We got the ocean map. Quickly. Okay. Why does the ball never ever go to me? I wanted to. Oh my god, there's already some clash over there. Okay. People in this server are like pro. I only won 1 match and now I'm dying. I'm dying. Why is she sticking at the L? I thought the ball was coming to me. Okay, now the ball is coming to me. Damn, I thought she was AFK. I don't like this. I actually don't like this. She didn't give me the ball. Phew. Oh my god, nice clutch. Sorry, I went too crazy. I don't even want to verse any of these people. Come on, you got this, Serena, you got this. Actually, no, you don't got this. Phew! Insanity, whatever her name is, she died. Because she's like, I think she's the best out of all. She's like, so strong, so powerful, unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Anyway, that's a dead song for real. Don't know why I'm singing it. It's so laggy. Oh, they're versing each other. Let's see some movie here. Please say that's not coming to me. Oh, now I'm versing this person. Please spare me. Please. No, I can't die. I actually can't. I'm laggy. Leave me alone. Stop, stop, please. It's okay. It's not the end of the world, guys. It's fine. Okay, if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Nothing